Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gems Crush. Today I am going to share an exciting gaming project that will provide you a lot of profit. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Before we go toward our project, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Here you can watch our project is a great gaming project that will provide you a lot of information how can you play a game and earn crypto. Our project name is Crypto Meta Bomb. So you can watch here the project name has been present here. You can watch here the whole information about them will be provided to you in this video. So please watch this video till end. Here you can watch the GB Bomb game on Binance Smart Chain. So you can watch here the Binance Smart Chain is present here. The game by CMB and private sale is also present. You can watch here the whole information about them will be provided to you. How can you buy a token by this process? Here you can watch their contract address has been present here. You can watch here whole information will be provided to you here. You can copy this address and paste into your private sale. Here you can watch their Twitter and Telegram account has been also present. So you can watch here the about Crypto Bomb. So Crypto Meta Bomb is a game with simple gameplay suitable for all different types of players. Crypto Meta Bomb opens up a metaverse world where players can earn real money through it. Here you can watch the play a demo. You can click on play demo. When you click on play demo, a demo will be shown to you and all the procedure will be told you how can you play a game in this procedure. Here you can watch the play to earn 2.0. Players control their heroes in the Crypto Meta Bomb world, collect tokens, NFT items in different game modes such as chest farm, boss hunt, PvP, arena, tournament, and trade them through the marketplace. Moreover, players can join hands to build, own, buy, and rent properties in the metaverse world of Crypto Meta Bomb. So you can watch here their information will be provided to you in their video. You can click on it and you can play their video so that you can get the information about them. So it will provide you a lot of information. Game characters are present here. You can watch their characters has been present. So you can watch here their exciting characters are also given here. You can change them by in playing a game in whole play. Here you can watch the gameplay will be given to you here. Chest farm on heroes, play to collect tokens and NFT items by breaking treasure chest in a wide range of maps. So you can watch here the boss hunt is also given. The take down the boss together with your heroes. Here you can watch the arena battle, control any one of your heroes to fight with other players in free arena battles every day. So you can play a game on the daily basis. PvP is also given here. You can watch the show of your battle skills and participate in matches. Here you can watch the tournaments will be also present. Join the single elimination tournament that is held continuously whenever there are enough participants. So you can watch here the build a rent. Player collect NFT bricks through the chest farm mode, then use the bricks to mint properties. So you can watch here their roadmap is also present. March 2022, April 2022, May, June, and all the upcoming events will be given to you here. Here you can watch the published websites, white paper, pitch deck, documents, chest farm, demo version, and all the information about them will be given to you here. Marketplace, NFT sale, event stacking, test game, testnet, open beta on BSC, mainnet, open private sale. Here you can watch the Android version, iOS version, arena battle, PvP mode, mini games and tournaments will be also present in future. Multi-chain mainnet guild war features will be also present. So you can watch here the CMB tokens are given. CMB token is the main in-game currency. It will be used for fusion and upgrading hero level mainly in the first phase. So you can watch here the official contract address will be provided to you here. You can copy this address and paste at the coin market cap, KuCoin, CoinGecko, Launchpad and Dextol so that you can buy them. You can click on any of them. Here you can watch the KuCoin is going to be opened. So you can buy this token in this procedure. Here you can watch the wallet connect standard and history. All the information will be provided to you here. Here you can watch the CMB token contract and all information about them will be given to you here. TokenX wallet TX buyer. Here you can watch their buyers will be provided to you here. All the information about them will be given to you. Total bot and wallets will be also present. All the information about them will be given to you in this procedure. Here you can watch the token metric is also given. Total supply is present here. Blockchain Binance Smart Chain is also present. Here you can watch the 12% private sale, 8% public sale, 30% play to earn, 10% stacking reward, 20% core team, 12% marketing, and 5% liquidity, and 3% advisors. So you can watch their core team is also present. Here is given their whole team and all the information about them will be given to you here. Advisors are also present. Partners are present. Launch Zone, AC Starters, Mayor Capital, MIFU. Here you can watch the audited by Verichains and all information about them will be given to you here. Here you can join them on their social media platform like Twitter and Telegram. Here you can watch the Twitter account. When you click on their Twitter account will be shown to you. Here is given their information about their crypto meta bomb. Here you can watch their Twitter account is also present. So account is not existing at the moment, so that you can join them on their Telegram. Here you is given their Telegram contact address so that you can get more information about them. So it is a great project that will provide you a lot of profit. You can watch here the private sale option is present here. You can click on it so that you can join them on their private sale portion and buy it. Here you can watch the grand prize of 50 BNB. 25 random people will be drawn to win 2 BNB each to participate. Here you can watch the private sale will be given to you here. Here you can enter the amount that you want to make buy. Here you can enter the amount and you can watch as confirm. When you click on the confirm, you need to add your wallet. Here you can watch the MetaMask will be added here. My wallet will be connected it and the buy will be confirmed. Here you can watch the grand prize of 35 BNB also present. The grand prize of 20 BNB is drawn the biggest buy in the private sale. So you can buy here. All information about them will be provided to you. So you can join this network for getting more profit by playing a game. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.